Hello, welcome to a quick DIY on how you can get a patio just like this one in your backyard or garden area. A good patio has 4 components: compacted gravel, a frame, a sand bed for the pavers, and the pavers themselves. The first step is to prepare the ground where the patio is going to go. We had to excavate about 5-6 inches of dirt, and this accounted for around 4 inches of gravel, the sand bedding of 1 inch, and the pavers themselves, which are around 1.5 inches. We brought in a bunch of gravel and spread it around the whole garden and including the area that the patio is going to lay on. The gravel bedding is essential for a solid and well-built patio, and it will keep the patio pavers from shifting around over time. We compacted the gravel with a vibrating plate compactor, and this provides a really solid base for your patio to build on. Next, we prepared a frame that was going to provide the overall contours of the patio and hold the pavers in place once we had them all laid. Level the frame so that the slope and area of your patio is all how you like it. Then bring in some sand. Grab a really long board that spans the entire width of your patio frame, and then use that to scrape the sand into a level bed for the pavers. We also used spacer boards, and these really help speed up the process by taking the guesswork out of the gaps between each paver. Once you're done laying the pavers, you can spread sand or more gravel in between the pavers to kind of lock them in place. Add some patio furniture and you have a beautiful place to hang out.